6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. You literally just caught me in complete and utter madness. I got chicken cooking on the stove. I got ingredients laid out all over the place. I'm testing out a new camera. This is I forgot to put my apron on. Hold on. This is total madness. But you know what? This is real life. This is real life. I got kids running around. I got dogs running around. I got my wife running around. That's what this show is. That's what we got going on. So guys, welcome to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we cook quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. So tonight, we are doing chicken thighs. We're doing seared chicken thighs in an asparagus sauce, like a creamy asparagus sauce with brown rice. We're gonna throw that all over brown rice. So I don't know if you guys could tell here, but I got one pan up and running already. This is a nice, I got a nice little thing going here. A nice nice brown chicken thigh going here, all right? So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually going to throw these. I'm actually gonna take this pan and I'm gonna throw it right in the oven. I'm roasting at 350. If you don't have I'm convection roasting at 350. If you don't have a convection oven, then just roast it at 375. All right, so I'm throwing this right in the oven here. And look at what I forgot to take out. This is real life, guys. You know, this is stuff is happening here. Okay. I got my kids screaming in the background. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook those for 15 minutes. All right, I gotta take a little bit of a breath here for a second. So what I have here is I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs that I'm gonna season with salt and pepper, okay? I got a bag of asparagus here, which I'm gonna use half of that later on for the first dish that I put in there. So I got some asparagus. I got a little bit of chicken broth here that I'm gonna use. This is about a cup of shallot, so I'm gonna use a pretty decent amount of shallot. I got some butter, about 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna be using some white wine. All right, so what we're gonna do first is I'm going to season up my chicken, all right? And I'm gonna be pretty liberal with my salt and pepper here, okay? On both sides of the chicken here. Okay, so I'm just gonna heat up a little bit of olive oil here. So what we're doing tonight, guys, is we're using both the cooktop and I'm using the oven. So I'm gonna pan sear these chicken thighs on the skin side, okay? And then when I'm done with searing them up, I'm throwing them right in the oven. So what we're first gonna do is we're gonna put them, when the oil's nice and hot, which it is, we're gonna put them skin side down so we get a nice crispy sort of, crust on the skin. So we got that going, which is nice. And these we're gonna cook up for 15 minutes. I got some brown rice cooking here. You guys can see gotta get used to this new camera here. So while I got these things cooking up, guys, we are gonna do the question of the day. What brand you guys like? What is your go-to brand of mayo? So what I'll do while I'm waiting here for the chicken to sear up, so I'm gonna be making this asparagus sauce. So I'm actually going to just chop up some of this asparagus. Babe, wanna say hi? Michelle is AKA the guinea pig. So at the end of the meal, I give her a little taste of the meal, okay? And she either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down. 2 excellent, 1 okay, 1 down and 2 you know what I mean? So that's what we do here. So we're going for 2 thumbs up, and I know that the guinea pig likes her asparagus cut up nice and small. I'm just trying to appease the guinea pig in this show. That's really what it's all about. You know what they say? Happy wife. Happy wife. And that's all we're trying to do here. Happy wife, happy life. What, they don't know that? You guys don't know happy wife, happy life? When you're pan searing chicken, it's not like I gotta like move stuff around a lot, you know what I mean? Just kind of sear it up nice, try not to get burned. That's when you know you got a good meal coming. It's like splattering all over the place. Like a splatter fest going on. Okay, these are good. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna flip these. Oh, these are nice and crispy. Look at that. I'll say hi. Come over here. Be careful with the pan. I don't know. Maybe something with the camera. Let's check it now. This should be good. Now listen, when you throw your frying pan right in the oven, make sure you don't forget that you got a frying pan in the oven and you need your mittens. Because this is like no joke, man. Pretty hot. Okay, so let's do this. Let's transfer this. I'm gonna cover this. And I also want to, see what I did? Burn my hand. Don't forget. Look at that. That's hot. Don't forget that that's coming out of the oven. Whew. Yeah, grab the friggin' pan like a jerk. So I'm throwing my shallot in here now, and I'm just gonna scrape all this like nice like chickeny goodsome in the bottom here. Okay, so now 30 seconds with that shallot, and I'm gonna throw in my asparagus. Did it again. I did it with the other hand. This isn't like a joke. I literally just did it with my other hand. Cooking with gloves on, that's it. Cooking with this glove on. My father used to say, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. Cooking that up till it gets nice and soft. Okay, so now, I'm gonna lower this heat a little bit. I'm gonna add like a cup of wine. Okay, I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Oh, it's like the wine. You can smell the wine in there. Cook it up nice with the asparagus. Okay, now I'm gonna lower the heat. And I'm just gonna let this reduce for a couple minutes. Okay, so this is looking nice. Nice and like thick. I brought it to a boil, reduced it a little bit, so it's getting nice and thick now, which is good. Because I'm gonna put my chicken stock in, my chicken broth. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Oh, if you can smell this, this is like awesome. This is really great. Okay, you wanna see my pan-seared chicken thighs here? My hand is killing me. P.S. See my chicken thighs? It is. Now I'm just gonna throw a couple of like twigs in here, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna lower this. Okay, just gonna throw a couple of twigs of thyme in here. My hand is killing me. Another minute or two, and we got ourselves a cooked meal. So here's my dilemma here. My dilemma is she likes chicken, but she really doesn't like chicken thighs, and she really doesn't like chicken thighs on the bone. Okay. You ready, guinea pig? All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give her some brown rice. Give her a chicken. I'm gonna give her a small piece. It's on the bone. I don't like it on the bone. We're just gonna go ahead and scoop that on there. I haven't got anything lower than a thumb and a half. tonight might be the night. Okay, babe, you're ready, right? Follow me, guys. Let's go. Oh, gosh, will you stop? Come on, baby. 2 thumbs up here tonight. 2 thumbs up. Yes, it's bone in. Come on. Just rip it. Hey, try that little piece there.
No flavor. Rice is still hard.
Really? You know, the whole bone-in thing, I knew it was going to be a bad night, you know? You go into it with that bad mentality.
It's okay.
Okay.
I'm not my favorite. I'm going to give it a thumbs up.
1 thumb up? All right. Well, there you have it, guys. You got me at my worst, you know? 1 thumb up. I'll take it. At least it wasn't a thumb down. She said that the rice was too hard. You know, hey, look, everybody's allowed to have an off night, yes? I can have an off night. Off nights are, you know, this is real life stuff. That's what this is. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for coming out tonight. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Tomorrow night, we are doing, I know this, shrimp tacos tomorrow night. So tomorrow night, definitely one you're not going to want to miss. And that is it, guys. Enjoy the rest of the night. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast.